Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up Final Round AI step by step, so let's get started. First off, go ahead and access their website, finalroundai.com, and then from here, you want to click on sign up. Then you have several options here. You can sign up using your Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft. So today, let's go ahead and use Google. Then choose the account, confirm it, continue. Now, on the first step, you can actually choose to skip this one, but let me show you what this means. So you have two options here. You can either upload a resume, or you can also go ahead and interview Copilot instantly. So let's go ahead and choose by uploading a resume. Click this. Now, from here, all you have to do is just choose your target role. So let's say your target role is sales, and then enter the name of the company, or you can just choose any place. And then you can also paste the job posting link here, or just choose none. Then select the date of the interview. Let's say, for example, this one. Once done, click next. And then on the next page, you can either upload your resume right over here or create a resume from audio. So let's say, for example, that you are uploading a resume or importing from LinkedIn, simply choose this. But today, let's go ahead and choose create a resume from audio. Now here, you'll be asked 5 questions. So you can turn on your mic and then answer all of these questions. For now, let's go ahead and skip all of them. Once you're done, wait for this to load. And you will be shown to the final step. There we go. As you can see, your interview Copilot is now ready. So all you need to do is allow access to start. So make sure you allow your microphone. And then from here, you can already start your mock interview. So just simply click that. And then from here, you'll also have the option to turn on your camera. So let me show you when. There we go. Continue launching. As you can see, this is now the mock interview. So you can also turn on your camera from here. And from this mock interview, just simply answer the questions given to you by this interviewer. All right. And once you're done, just simply click end right over here. And yes, and then choose this. And then click go back home. And there you have it. You're now fully set up to use Final Round AI and get real-time help during interviews. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.